Roger.
Okay, this is the H&S-1. That stands for Han and Sarah. That was named by George Couch, my father-in-law. He and I had a good time sitting around, farting around with this, making it. And it didn't fly before. We had a motor issue, so I replaced the motor. You can see it's a slightly different motor. Very nice, powerful motor. I had to add some wing extensions. You can see that's some added wing area. And we're going to try it again.
Well, there you go.
Hey, it's flying! How about that?
Cool, man.
That's real nice.
Well, I'll be darned. Whoopsie daisy. Ooh, it's a little bit windy for it.
Any aerobatics by any chance?
Huh?
What kind of foam?
It's that poster board you can buy at Hobby Lobby for $4.99 a sheet. And they've got all different kinds of colors. I'm having a hard time, whoopsie daisy. I don't know, man. We'll see what I can get, but let's see.
I wouldn't try a roll or anything.
No, I was just gonna see if I can get a loop out of it.
Kinda.
Well, it was a loop. Woo!
Doesn't feel tail heavy?
It doesn't feel like it has a lot.